Hi everyone, welcome to ThomTech Tutorials. I am Thomas and this is 8th session of Azure Data Factory tutorial. In this session I am going to cover the differences between Azure Data Lake and Azure Blob Storage. So as you guys know, we covered previous sessions and we got Azure Data Lake created as our storage account, but we never created Azure Blob Storage. So the creation of Azure Blob Storage is also similar to what we have created for Azure Data Lake. But if you guys have any questions, any doubts, put your comments in the chat box and I'm more than happy to create a new video or clarify any doubts. So that's it. Now let's jump into the differences. So the first difference is hierarchical namespace. That is the most important one. Data Lake allows us to create folders and subfolders within the containers, like as we do in our file shares and in our local folders, local machines. But blob storage do not allow that. We can save our files and blobs within a container, and we can even create folders, but those folders and subfolders will be a virtual or logical folders. So that means those folders and subfolders will only reside if it has a file inside those folders. And now let's move to the second one. Allows big data analytics through USQL code and different other technologies. But in blob storage we allows limited analytics, and it's mainly preferred for storing or keeping backed up files or landing or staging files. So now let's move to the third one. Costly compared to blob storage and cheaper. So it's comparatively costly and blob storage is comparatively cheaper. No soft delete allowed. In blob storage we have the option for soft delete. It's auto scalable in Azure Data Lake, but Azure Blob Storage is not. So with these differences, it clearly shows that we do have some common differences as well, not like common features. In fact, that means what is the purpose of these storages. So they are capable enough to store structured, unstructured and semi-structured data, and lot many are there. So with that, I think by this time you guys are clear what are the main differences between Azure Data Lake and Azure Blob Storage. So do let me know if you guys have any further questions. And I think we are done with this session, and let's meet in the next session. Thank you guys and have a great day ahead.